McDo lang. Na bumili sa labas ng ketchup pandesal. Oh my gosh! Di ko to makita-kita kung saan ko nalagay. Ilang beses ko to hinanap dito, hindi ko nakita. So, lahat ng pictures namin dito, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Sa SM North pa to, itong The Film Soul. Kasi gusto ko talaga yung nasa elevator. And this one, this is medyo mas recent to kasi as you can see, naka-uniform kami, naka-scrubs kami from internship. I'm eating McDo lang. Chicken filet a la king.
Updates on Willa Quinn.
Still keeping a low profile since she landed in LA?
Legend. I'm sure she wants to silence him. Let's not give her a chance. What a... Where he'd be. It's not a brick. It's a mystery. It was about how he had planned for years to build that case. Ever since the first time he worked. See the rectangle on the side? It's a door. I got your message that really is for Ava. Roman helped get down the line.
Likely. You have to find another one.
Where all your bodies are buried.
So, this is the 345 Dr. Althea cream. Pero kasi, may cream talaga nito. Pero this one, nakita ko siya sa TikTok. And cream mist naman to. This is a mist. So, ini-spray to. Pero mas lighter yung feeling compared sa cream na talaga. Hi guys, I just got back from walking the dog. And I look so disgusting right now. Lip plumper from Kimuse. This is so pretty. Ang ganda. Wow, it's okay. I remember now. It's Timeforia. There you go. Like, kaya ko to. That's so unique. That's such a unique packaging. It's very eco-friendly. Wow, this is so nice. Very out of this world yung packaging niya. Parang ang gumagamit na ito mga taga-cyberpunk. Ito yun guys, in the Filipino household. Bulacan, Filipino household. This is Ralph. Mom got it for me when I was like a kid. It's my favorite pocket. Ako lang ba yung nautusan ng nanay na bumili sa labas ng ketchup pandesal? Hindi ka man lang nakapaghilamos. Hindi ka man lang nakapag-toothbrush. So, babalik na ako sa bahay. Kuha ko na yung ketchup. Ngayon, I will do my best to open the gate. This is what you call strong, independent first daughter. Mother! Pandesal is out. Okay guys, so we're back in my room. Wala masyadong exciting sa room ko dito. It's just a plain room. Please don't judge kasi nag-overnight pa lang ako dito. Mag-ayos ulit ako mamaya. And mag-declutter ulit ng mga gamit na hindi ko na kailangan. Hindi sila nagpapansinan. Cookie! Sunod siya. Patapos ko na kasi to, The Inheritance Games. Ibebenta ko na yung first 3 books. I did like the story naman, pero kasi it felt a little flat. I mean, it was a good story. Like, the secrets were very out of this world ng mga secrets, ganyan. And yung plot, it was okay. Pero feeling ko may ibang pang tao makaka-appreciate na to. Kaya ako napatigil kasi may isang character kasi na nag-appear dito. Mula nang dumating siya, nag-visit na ako sa kanya. Tapos ngayon, ang yabang-yabang niya. Playlist. Yan, yung bibili namin. Hindi ako naligo bago lumabas, guys. Yan. Goodest. Ah, yan yun nandun sa drawer niya pa, diba?
Hindi, iba yun. Smart Heart yun.
Ah, Smart Heart ba yun?
Ito! Meron pala sa
Ayan.
ganito.
Di ba yun yun?
Iman pa ako dun eh. Tsaka,
Nag-hoard na siya. Parang wala namang dog food na nakalagay sa listahan natin. Nagdi-detour yung nanay ko. Yung mga nasa cart ngayon, wala dito sa listahan. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Chocolate. My favorite. Uy! Uy! Hello! May dog food pala sa listahan. Nakala ko wala.
ano? Kaya mag-Nutella.
Most hated sauce. I don't like ketchup.
Yung ano?
Yay! Yan. Ito, linguine. Yay! Linguine. Hindi ko alam yung pinapabili ng nanay ko. Pure Foods. Bakit CDO? Bibit-bit kaya namin yan lahat. Abangan. Papahanap si Mom ng mas makapal. Mukhang wala. Ay, meron! Size.
Nalagay mo sa matcha?
Oo. Dun, dun, dun. Guys, naghahanap ako ng shampoo na sulfate. May sulfate eh. Wala.
Grabe.